All India Journalists Safety Committee (ABPSS) meeting in Rajkot. A large number of journalists attended the call of City President Mirubha Moya and District in charge Dinesh Javia. Senior journalist Rajkumar Hingol appointed as in charge of Saurashtra, Kutch zone. Dialogue and cooperation between press, police and politicians will be strengthened. Rajkumar Hingol. The organization is committed to maintaining the safety, security and dignity of journalists. Jignesh Kalawadia. By Representative, Rajkot, an important meeting of India's largest journalist organization, All India Journalists Safety Committee, ABPSS, was held at the Circuit House in Rajkot. A large number of senior journalists from all fields attended the meeting on the call of Rajkot City President Mirubha Moya and District in charge Dinesh Javia. City President Mirubha Moya announced that the organization will work actively for the safety of journalists and announced the formation of a city executive soon by including journalists from print, electronic and digital media. Mirubha Moya specifically said on this occasion that only sincere and full-time journalists will be included in the organization. ABPSS will not encourage yellow journalism at all. Many important decisions were taken in this meeting keeping in mind the expansion of the organization and the interests of journalists. ABPSS National President Jignesh Kalawadia officially announced the appointment of senior journalist Rajkumar Hingol, who has been active in the field of journalism for the last 3 decades, owner, editor and activist of many newspapers magazines, as the acting president of Gujarat Pradesh ABPSS and in charge of Saurashtra Kutch zone. This announcement was welcomed by all the journalists present. Expressing gratitude for his appointment, Rajkumar Hingol said, "In the current situation, there is concern about the dialogue and cooperation between the press, police and politicians. Appropriate action will be taken in this regard and coordination will be strengthened." He further added that priority will be given to strengthening the organization for the interests, safety and security of journalists. The organization will continue to work so that journalists can do their work fearlessly without any fear and fight a strong fight against false allegations against them. On this occasion, ABPSS National President and Rajkot native Jignesh Kalawadia laid special emphasis on the unity of journalists. He clearly stated, "Our organization is committed to ensuring the safety, security and dignity of journalists. If journalists are not united, then in today's times we will not be able to expose or solve the problems of society." The organization will take strict action by targeting individual journalists and verifying the veracity of the complaints and allegations made against them and will make active efforts to protect the interests of journalists. A large number of journalists were present in this special meeting held at Rajkot Circuit House. Many journalist friends including Jignesh Bhai Kalawadia, Kishan Vekaria, Rajkumar Hingol, Mirubha Moya, Dinesh Javia, Kirit Bhai Patel, Girish Bhai Bharadha, Dhiren Bhai Makwana, Tushar Parekh, Raju Bhai Rawal, Hitesh Rathore, Darshit Gangadia, Atul Bhai Surani, Kirti Bhai Kansara, Ishwar Bhai Makwana, Ashwin Bhai Vashisht, Mushtaq Mom, Yogesh Bhai Pithadia, Navgha Bhai Gamara, Dilip Bhai Gamara, Dilip Singh Waghela, Abir Bhai, Parag Dobria, Akbar Kandia, Rajveer Solanki and Abhay Pandya were present in this meeting.